Global Language Podcast, real-life questions you can use every day. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Global Language Podcast. In this part of the episode, we are going to practice something extremely important for real communication, questions people actually ask in daily life. Many English learners know a lot of vocabulary, but when they start a conversation, they suddenly don't know what to ask. So today, I'm going to say real questions that people use at work, with friends, at home, or when meeting someone. Listen carefully and repeat the questions with me. Let's start with a very common situation. You meet a friend after work. You might ask, "How was your day today?" Again, "How was your day today?" Maybe they answer, "It was busy." Then you can ask, "Did you finish everything you planned to do today?" Again, "Did you finish everything you planned to do today?" Sometimes people are tired, so you might say, "Are you feeling tired today?" Again, "Are you feeling tired today?" Or maybe you want to check something important. "Did you get my message earlier?" Again, "Did you get my message earlier?" Maybe the person didn't reply, so you ask, "Why didn't you reply to my message earlier?" Again, "Why didn't you reply to my message earlier?" Now imagine you are planning something for later. You can ask, "What are you doing later today?" Again, "What are you doing later today?" Or maybe, "Are you free tonight?" Again, "Are you free tonight?" If you want to invite someone, "Do you want to grab something to eat later?" Again, "Do you want to grab something to eat later?" But maybe they are busy. So you ask, "Are you working tomorrow?" Again, "Are you working tomorrow?" Or, "Are you going to be busy this weekend?" Again, "Are you going to be busy this weekend?" Now let's move to another daily situation. You are working with someone. You might ask, "Did you finish the report yet?" Again, "Did you finish the report yet?" Or maybe you are checking progress. "Are you still working on that project?" Again, "Are you still working on that project?" Sometimes you need help. You might say, "Can you help me with this for a minute?" Again, "Can you help me with this for a minute?" And sometimes you want to offer help. "Do you need any help with that?" Again, "Do you need any help with that?" Now imagine you are outside with friends. You might ask, "Have you eaten yet?" Again, "Have you eaten yet?" Or, "Did you try that new restaurant downtown?" Again, "Did you try that new restaurant downtown?" If you are planning dinner, "Where should we eat tonight?" Again, "Where should we eat tonight?" Or maybe, "Do you want to cook at home or go out?" Again, "Do you want to cook at home or go out?" Let's move to everyday life questions. You might ask someone, "Did you sleep well last night?" Again, "Did you sleep well last night?" Or maybe you notice something. "Why do you look so tired today?" Again, "Why do you look so tired today?" Sometimes you want to know about the past. "Did you have a good weekend?" Again, "Did you have a good weekend?" Or, "What did you do yesterday after work?" Again, "What did you do yesterday after work?" Now let's talk about the future. You can ask, "What are you planning to do tomorrow?" Again, "What are you planning to do tomorrow?" Or, "Are you going to travel this year?" Again, "Are you going to travel this year?" Maybe you're making a plan together. "Should we meet earlier tomorrow?" Again, "Should we meet earlier tomorrow?" Or maybe, "Do you think this plan will work?" Again, "Do you think this plan will work?" Sometimes questions are negative. Negative questions are also very common in real conversations. For example, "Didn't you say you were busy today?" Again, "Didn't you say you were busy today?" Or, "Haven't we talked about this before?" Again, "Haven't we talked about this before?" And sometimes you ask because you're surprised. "Didn't you finish this already?" Again, "Didn't you finish this already?" These are the types of questions that keep conversations alive. They are simple, natural, and extremely useful. If you practice asking good questions, conversations become easier and more interesting. Let's finish with one important sentence. Repeat with me. Good questions create good conversations. Again, good questions create good conversations. Thank you for listening to Global Language Podcast. Practice these questions, repeat them out loud, and try to use them in real conversations today. And if you want more real-life English like this, don't forget to subscribe to Global Language Podcast. See you in the next episode.